This is the ultimate profile rib bundle from Outpost Pottery. It consists of 4 mug profile ribs, 5 angular mug profile ribs, 2 tall tankard profile ribs, 3 small cup and bowl profile ribs, 2 tulip profile ribs, and 5 Goodfoot profile ribs. These 21 pottery ribs contain profiles for 59 popular pottery designs. A profile rib is a template that helps you reproduce a certain shape. It gives you the ability to create hundreds of identical mugs, cups, or bowls. Profile ribs are constantly in and around water. So at Outpost Pottery, we make ours out of polylactide and high-density polyurethane, 2 materials that will never warp from water damage. Now remember, as clay dries and then is fired, it's going to lose about 15% of its original size. So a profile rib that's 4 3/4 inches will produce a mug that's about 4 inches tall. Keep that in mind as you choose the size of your profile rib. If you want a large mug, a small profile rib can't get you there. Now, there's a few things to watch out for when you're buying profile ribs. First, it's important that you actually like the shape that profile produces. If a set of profile ribs can only produce 1 or 2 shapes that you actually like, it's probably not the best set for you. Next, be careful of profile ribs made of thin and brittle material. If you accidentally chip or break a piece of that profile rib off, it's not going to be of any use to you. Lastly, there's a difference between texture ribs and profile ribs. Texture ribs help you add design elements to the surface of a piece, while profile ribs allow you to design a custom shape. 2 tools that look the same, but they have very different functions. Please reach out to our dedicated team if you need help or you have any questions.